Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on cost accounting. This is part 4. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Cost incurred by undertaking which do not manufacture any product but services is A. Operation cost, B. Operating cost, C. Joint cost, D. Sunk cost. The correct option is B. Operating cost. 2. In cement industry, the method of costing adopted is A. Process costing, B. Job costing, C. Contract costing, D. Operating costing. Correct option is A. Process costing. 3. Direct material is dash A. Fixed cost, B. Variable cost, C. Semi-variable cost, D. None. The correct option is B. Variable cost. 4. A bill of material serves the purpose of dash A. Purchase order, B. Material requisition, C. Purchase requisition, D. Goods received note. Correct option is B. Material requisition. 5. Thread in garments is an example of dash A. Direct materials, B. Prime cost, C. Variable cost, D. Indirect materials. Correct option is D. Indirect material. 6. Primary packing materials are examples of dash A. Direct materials, B. Indirect materials, C. Selling overhead, or D. Factory overhead. Correct option is D. Direct materials. 7. Purchase requisition for regular stock materials is prepared by dash A. Costing department, B. Production department, C. Storekeeper, D. Purchase department. Correct option is C. Storekeeper. 8. The purpose of inventory control is to dash A. Control flow of raw materials, B. Maintain optimum level of inventory, C. Control material price, D. None. The correct option is B. Maintain optimum level of inventory. 9. A bill of materials is dash A. An invoice of materials purchased, B. A voucher of materials received by supplier, C. A document that shows all the materials required for a job, D. None. The correct option is C. A document that shows all the materials required for a job. 10. Under decentralized purchasing, which department is responsible for making purchases? So here correct option is B. Department requiring materials. 11. An example of normal loss of materials is, correct option is C. Loss due to breaking the bulk. 12. Continuous stock taking is a part of A. Annual stock taking, B. Perpetual inventory, C. ABC analysis, or D. WED or vital, essential and desire analysis. Correct option is B. Perpetual inventory. 13. Bin card is maintained by dash A. Accounts department, B. Costing department, C. Stores department, D. Purchase department. Correct option is C. Stores department. 14. Economic order quantity is a tool for controlling. Correct option is A. Inventory. 15. Dash is the time between placement of an order and obtaining delivery. So here correct option is B. Lead time. 16. The rate of change in the material usage is called dash A. Input output ratio, B. Inventory turnover ratio, C. EOQ, that is economic order quantity, or D. Inventory control. So here correct option is B. Inventory turnover ratio. 17. Dash technique is a selective control of materials. A. ABC, B. Inventory turnover ratio, C. Input output ratio, D. EOQ. Correct option is A. ABC. 18. Fragments of materials that are left from certain type of manufacture are called A. Scrap, B. Waste, C. Defectives, D. Spoilage. Correct option is A. Scrap. 19. Portion of basic raw material lost in processing having no recovery value, for example as is A. Scrap, B. Waste, C. Defectives, D. Spoilage. Correct option is B. Waste. 20. Which among the following will be the suitable method of treatment of realizable value scrap if it is of little value? A. Credited to costing P&L, B. Credited to job process, C. Deducted from the cost of materials consumed, D. Deducted from factory overhead. Correct option is A. Credited to cost and P&L, costing P&L account. 21. Dash is the purchase of materials at such a time that delivery immediately precedes demand for use. A. Reorder level, B. JIT, just in time. C. FIFO, D. EOQ. Correct option is B. JIT. 22. Materials damaged in manufacturing operations in such a way that they cannot be rectified and brought back to normal specifications is called as A. Scrap, B. Waste, C. Defectives, D. Spoilage. Correct option is D. Spoilage. 23. Portion of production which can be rectified at some extra cost of reoperation is called defectives. So here correct option is C. Defective. 24. Which of the following methods is used to control spare parts? A. FNSD analysis, B. VED analysis, C. ABC analysis, D. JIT. So the correct option is B. VED analysis, vital, essential and desire analysis. 25. Proportional parts value analysis method is another name for, correct option is A. ABC analysis. 26. State which among the following is true about store's ledger. So here correct option is D. Transactions are summarized and posted periodically. 27. Calculate EOQ from the details. Annual usage value 1,20,000, cost of placing one order rupees 60, annual carrying cost 10% of inventory value. So with the same EOQ formula, that is 2AC upon CH. So here if you calculate it, so you need to calculate it. Here I cannot show you, but the answer is C. 12,000. 28. Level at which normal use of materials are stopped and materials are issued only for important jobs is known: A. Minimum level, B. Reorder level, C. Maximum level, D. Danger level. Here correct option is D. Danger level. 29. State the formula for calculation of minimum level. So here correct option is B. Reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now 30. Maximum uses. Say here certain information is given: 130 units per day. Reorder period is say 25 to 30 days. Calculate the reorder level. So if you calculate with the formula discussed above, here the correct option is 3,900 units. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.